Racing just started. We have Empire Gloria. Break quickly at the start, running by the rail inner class. Moving up on the outside now is for number 5, and this one is Perfect Material. In the middle portion, Gallant Prince, Sail Street, Unequal Punchline comes next, then followed over by My Sweet Leonora, inner class, while Conquistador is the early trailer by about 15 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Empire Glory by a length and a half. Gallant Prince is right behind in second. Inner class is racing in third. Unequal Perfect Material in the middle, Punchline. Then next on line is Sail Street, and on the outside comes Mount Panamaw, My Sweet Leonora, while Conquistador is still racing in less than a far turn. We have Empire Glory maintaining a half-length lead. Gallant Prince still in second. Unequal now coming closer in third. Perfect Material comes next. Down on the inside now is inner class. Punchline like twice now coming closer. And they are now entering the home stretch. You have Empire Glory by about 4 lengths. Perfect Material in second. Moving up on the outside. Unequal inner class. Punchline is on the outside. Last 50 meters. We have Empire Glory. And finally Empire Glory. Unequal, then comes Perfect Material, inner class, Punchline, and Conquistador.
8, 9, 5, 2, 6, 1.
Correct.